Hi guys, my name is Irenezab and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate for that, and may the Lord bless you. So guys, today we have amazing video. I'm going to cook ugali using 3 stones. Yes, you can see here. Yeah, we are somewhere in the village, and that is what we are going to try and cook today. So guys, keep tuned. Yes, guys, this is we have our water here. It is boiling. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it is ready as you can see. So we are going to add unga, then we start cooking. So guys, this is where we are, and we are going to add the unga. This is what we are going to use to cook. Yo, we are going to use this. This is the cooking stick. Yeah. So we had more. Wow. Guys, we are cooking using 3 stones. ugali, siposimama haitaiva. So guys, our ugali is almost ready. Yeah. So guys, ugali is ready here now. So ready to be served. So guys, our ugali is ready, and I hope that you have enjoyed the video. Kindly like the video and also share, and you can leave a sweet comment down below. So thank you so much, and see you in my next video.